Hello friends, in this video I would like to share with you a online money making job. You can simply apply for this job and earn money from home. Okay, I will show you that. Watch this video until the end because of if you skip something it will be cause to miss something, some important thing. This is the website, uh, creative job. You can go click in URL in the below description. I will share it in description. uh, Let I show you how to earn money from this job. First one is market research. uh, Earn money every day for your opinion and time. This is a registration fee free job, so all of you can register for no risk for this job. This is survey job. uh, you can earn $5 to $20 per survey. You can withdraw your money PayPal or gift card or something. Second one is typing job. In typing jobs, you can uh, do this job in online or offline. If you like to online typing job, you can get 3.5 to $6 per page. You can like to offline typing job, you can earn 2.5 to $5 per page. If you work something hard, you can earn $50 to $60 per day. If you have good typing speed, you can earn up $100. When you work 30 days in this job, you can earn $1,000. It is very important. Next one is I will show proofreading. In this proofreading job, you must have editing skill. Then you can earn $5 or more. Uh, this is important for you. Someone. Another is translation. Uh, if you know uh, several languages, this is opportunity for you. You must have excellent understanding in foreign language. If you like to this job, you can earn $10 to $30 per thousand word. It is large income. Next one is advertising. Advertising. There is no job in advertising. Another is online teaching. If you good as a teacher, this is for you. Apply today online teaching job. Skilled tutor are required to each student for all grade level from 12 to college level grade. This is a you can do this as a part-time job or full-time job. Okay, I will show you how to apply this job. Below is join us. Click join us. You can get like this page. uh, those are the jobs: online paid survey job, online typing job, offline typing job, online teaching jobs, online ad publishing job, online medical transcription job, online language translation job, online proofreading job, content writing job. Through this, I will show you how to apply online typing job. I click more information. Then you can get like this page. You can get a clear idea about the online typing job in this page. Uh, this is the job rate average 3.5 to $6 per page. When you work 25 days, your monthly income would be $875. It is large amount. These are the eligibilities: healthy fingers, good eyesight, minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer, good knowledge of MS Office. When you look at this, when you see everyone can do this job, so apply this job and earn money for you, not me, for you. Payment, the payments are made for you on 15th of every month. It is will be PayPal, check, or online money transfer payment. Then you must apply now. Then you can get like this page. It has to apply, download application form. Click it. You can get like this page. Then you can fill this form and uh, submit. Nothing special thing. So when you hope to offline typing job, you can get more information like before. Then these are the job rate. You can read it and get knowledge about that. Eligibilities are same. Payment are same. This job is registration is absolutely free, so everyone cannot so everyone can apply for this because we do not invest something. So this is best site for earn. There are no hidden charges before or after joining. Great one. Like before, apply now, and application form download, then fill this and submit. Okay, I will stop this uh, because time is gone. Uh, if you have any question, please comment, message. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.